Hello, everyone. Welcome to our Wix Studio Editor series. So, you've put in the work, built your sections, and made your site responsive. Now, it's time to make sure your hard work is safely stored and ready for the world to see. In this video, we'll talk about three essential things: saving, previewing, and publishing your site. Let's get started. Wix Studio already has an autosave feature. It stores your progress automatically as you continue working on your site. But to lean on the safer side, make it a habit to manually save it. Click the Wix Studio icon in the upper left and select Site. And under Site, click on Save. To preview your site, click Preview on the top right. While previewing your site, go ahead and click on buttons and check your navigation to make sure that everything leads to the right place. Don't forget to preview your site on other breakpoints as well, such as the tablet mode and mobile mode. We also have other devices under here. Once everything's all good and ready, that just means you're ready to launch your site for everyone to see. So go ahead and click on the Publish button. And publishing pushes your changes to your live domain so the entire world can visit your site. That's all for today, guys. Hope this video was helpful. If you need more Wix tutorials, check out our channel and consider subscribing as well. Thanks for watching and see you guys in the next video.